Hello, my name is Mario Bosch with Clean Cut Landscaping in Metairie, Louisiana. We are in the process of renovating the lawn in this backyard. We have removed the existing weed lawn. We have graded the entire yard to proper slopes. And right now we're in the process of installing the Grade A certified Zoysia sod. We also upgraded the drainage system. The house had drains. We added a couple of more drains to help get the water out of here. One of the things about grass installations is that drainage is extremely crucial, especially in backyards. If you got a retaining wall around the fence, water can't get out, and if water stands in this yard, this grass will die and be full of weeds. So if you want your sod renovation done properly, give us a call at 504-415-1438, and we'll give you that beautiful lawn that you deserve.